Namaste to all. Hello children, now we are seeing the physics lesson electricity. In our house we are using all the things we are using by electricity. We are using the mixie, grinder, light, fan, iron box, all the things we are using by the electricity. We are applying the electric current. Introduction. In 1982, it was sunset in the west. The miracle happened in the New York City. When Thomas Alva Edison gently pushed the switch on, 14,000 bulbs in 99,000 houses suddenly got lighted up. Thomas Alva Edison invented the bulb. The 14,000 bulbs in 9,000 houses suddenly got lighted up. So the greatest invention to the mankind in the world was under the light, even in the night. Many countries began using the electricity for domestic purpose. What are the domestic purpose? We are using the mixie, grinder, fan, iron box. We are using the domestic purpose in our houses. 1899, electricity first came in India. The Calcutta Electric Supply Corporation Limited commissioned the first thermal power plant in India 17th April 1899. Around the 1900 thermal power station was set up the Patient Bridge in Madras city, and the power was distributed in the government press, general hospitals, electric tramboats and certain residential areas in Madras. Today electricity is common household commodities. Then how to make the electricity? All the things made up of matter. Already we know all the things made up of matter. What is matter? Do you know what is all the things made up of matter? What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and it has weight. Matter is anything that occupies space and it has weight. What is matter? Anything that occupies space and it has weight. For example, this dust also made up of matter. This also occupied some space and it has weight. Our body also made up of matter. I am also occupied some space. I have 65 kg weight in this. So all the things made up of matter. This matter is made up of atoms and molecules. The matter is made up of atoms and molecules. What is made by atom? Atom is the smallest particle of an element that take part in the chemical reactions. Molecule. What is molecule? Molecule is the smallest particle that exists in freely. The compound of molecules is the smallest particle of element or compound that exists in freely. Atoms only element molecules element or compound that exist in freely. So all the matter is made up of molecules and atoms. Atom consists of proton, electrons and neutrons. Atom is consists of proton, neutron and electron. Atoms consist of proton, neutron and electron. Atoms are consist of proton, neutron and electron. The protons are positively charged particles. Protons are positively charged particles. The neutrons are no charge. Neutrons are no charge. Electron minus charge, negatively charged particles. The positively charged particles are called protons. Neutron no charge. Electron negatively charged. charged particles. The proton discovered by the Holstein. Who discovered by the proton? Proton discovered by Holstein. Neutron, James Chadwick. Neutron discovered by the James Chadwick. Electron discovered by the J.J. Thomson. The positively charged particles, neutral particle charge consists of the center of the nucleus. The atom, the center of the nucleus. For example, this is atom. Center part of the nucleus, center part of the atom is called nucleus. Center part of the atoms is called nucleus. Inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons is there. Inside the nucleus, proton and neutron is there. The electrons revolve around the nucleus. Electrons are revolved around the nucleus. The protons are positively charged particles. Neutrons are no charge, but electrons revolve around them. The electrons are the negatively charged particles. The protons, electrons make the electric current. So, electric charge is measured in the unit called coulomb. What is coulomb? Electric charge important question. What is coulomb? What is meant by the coulomb? Electric charge is measured in a unit is called coulomb. What is called? Electric charge is measured in the unit is called coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to the unit of coulomb is approximately 6.242 into 10 power 18 protons, 10 power 18 protons or electrons. Electric charge is measured in unit is called a coulomb. What is the 1 unit of coulomb is called 6.242 into 10 power 18 protons or electrons. It's called a unit of coulomb. The electric charge are generally denoted the letter Q. Electric charge denoted Q. Electric charge is denoted by the letters Q. Coulomb means Q. What is the electric current? What is meant by the electric current? The flow the electric charge constant and the electric current. The electric appliance to work, electric current must flow through it, and electric current is measured by the amount of electric charge moving per unit time at any point of the circuit. This conventional symbol of current is I. Conventional symbol of the current is I. I means ampere. At the unit of electric current, SI unit of measuring an electric current is ampere. Electric current is measured in ampere, which is flow on electric charge across the surface of the rate of 1 coulomb per second. On this formula is I is equal to ampere is equal to Q by T. Q by T. Q means electric charge divided by time. I means ampere. Q electric current divided by T. T means time. Then one problem. I electric current ampere. Q electric charge. This is time taken. T is equal to time taken. Or for example, one problem. If 30 coulomb of electric charge flow through a wire in 2 seconds. 2 seconds 30 coulomb of electric charge flow ஆகுது. Calculate the current of wire. Calculate the current of the wire. The solution is The solution, charge Q is equal to 30. Charge Q is equal to 30 coulomb. Time taken, time T is equal to 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2 seconds means 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Now formula I is equal to Q by T. I is equal to Q by T. Q means 30 coulomb. Q is equal to 30 coulomb. That time taken is equal to 120 seconds. 120 seconds. Now our answer 4. Answer என்ன வரும் 0. Answer 4 1 by 2 1 by 4 என்னன்னா 0.25 correct answer 0.25 Armstrong. Correct charge is Armstrong. A. புரியுதா? charge Q 30 coulomb கொடுத்தாங்க. time taken 2 seconds கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 2 minutes கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 2 minutes is seconds. 2 minutes are seconds. After 1 minute is 60. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. After 2 minutes is equal to 120 seconds. After current is equal to I is equal to Q by T. Q 30 coulomb, T 120 seconds. After 1 by 4 0.25 Armstrong. Then conventional current and electric flow. Conventional current. First, conventional current flow from the positive to negative. Conventional current flow from the positive to negative end. And electric flow charges from the negative to the positive end. Negative to the positive. More opposite. The conventional current ko electric flow ko appadi opposite. Conventional current flow from the positive to the negative end. This electric charge flow from the negative to the positive end. Then what is mean the conventional current? The conventional current is in the direction opposite to the electron flow. What is mean by the conventional? What is mean by the conventional current? Conventional current is in the conventional current is in the direction opposite to electron flow. This is called conventional current. At the measurement of the electric current. How to measure the electric current? Electric current is measured using a device called ammeter. Electric current is measured by the ammeter. The terminals of the ammeter are marked with plus and minus charges. The ammeter must be connected in the series in a circuit. ஒரு ப்ளஸ் ஒரு பல்பு எரியுதுன்னா நான் 2 ஒயர் கனெக்ட் பண்ணும். அதில் ஒன்று ப்ளஸ் சார்ஜாக இருக்கும், another one is மைனஸ் சார்ஜ். ப்ளஸ்ஸும் மைனஸும் ரெண்டும் மேக் பண்ணால் தான் கரண்ட் எலக்ட்ரிக் கரண்ட் பாஸ் ஆகும், அந்த லைட் எரிய ஆரம்பிக்கும். இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் யூஸ் டு மெஷர் த ஸ்மாலர் கரண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஏ மில்லி ஆம்பியர். ஸ்மாலர் கரண்ட் மில்லி ஆம்பியர். இப்போ நம்ம டொமஸ்டிக் பர்பஸ்க்கு யூஸ் பண்ணுற லைட்டு இதுக்கெல்லாம் மில்லி ஆம்பியர் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. Or micro ampere range, that is in the milli ampere and micro ammeters. 1 milli ampere is equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere. 1 milli ampere is equal to 10 power minus 3 ampere. or 1 by 1000 ampere. 1 microampere is equal to 10 power minus 6 ampere or 1 divided by 1 lakh ampere. Another one examples, if 0.002 angstrom current flows through a circuit, then convert the current in terms of microampere. Like given the current flows there, 1 ampere is equal to 10 power 6 microampere. 0.002 ampere 1 angstrom is equal to 0.22 angstrom is equal to 0.22 into 10 power 6 microampere. After we get the 2000 microampere. Now we get the 2000 microampere. Next, potential differences. What is potential difference measured in V? Potential difference V. Electric charge energy to push them along the circuit. Water always flow from the higher to lower ground. Water flows from the higher level to lower level. Similarly, the electric charge always flow from the point higher potential point at the lower potential. Water flow from higher to lower, but current the flows, electric charge always flow the point of higher potential of the point to lower potential of the point. The electric current can flow only there is the potential difference V or PD, V capital D. The potential, define the potential difference. Potential difference between any two points in the circuit is the amount of energy needed to move one unit of electric charge from one point to other. At the unit of potential difference. What is the unit of potential difference? The term mentioned above, volt, is measured the electric potential. Electric potential measured by the volt. The SI unit of potential difference is volt V. Potential difference between two points is measured by using the device are called voltmeter. And the use பண்ணுற deviceக்கு பேரு voltmeter. Measuring point volt. Measuring deviceக்கு பேரு voltmeter. Water at the top of the waterfall to move the potential energy. And the electric current flow from the higher potential level to lower potential level is just like the water flow. Next, electric conductivity, electric resistancy. Next, electric conductivity and resistancy. Resistance symbol of the resistance is R. And electrical component resistance or hinders in the flow electric charge when is connected in the circuit. The circuit's component is resistance to flow the charge. Similarly, how to narrow channels resist the flow water. R is equal to V by T. R is equal to V by T. The SI unit of resistance ohm. The resistance SI unit of resistance is ohm. And the electric conductivity. Electric conductivity or specific conductivity is measured by the material's ability to conduct the electric current. This is commonly represented by the Greek letter sigma. The SI unit of electric conductivity is sigmas or meter. S by M. And the electric resistancy. Electric resistivity or volume resistance, the fundamental property of material that qualify the strongly that material opposes the flow of the electric current. The SI unit of electric resistivity is the ohm meter. Electric resistivity is called a ohm meter. For examples is there material, resistivity at the conductivity. Silver, for example, silver. Silver resistivity 1.59 into 10 power minus 8. Conductivity 6.30 into 10 power 7. Another one example is copper. 1.68 into 10 power minus 8. Conductivity is 5.98 into 10 power 7. Analytic copper 1.72 into 10 power minus 8. 5.80 into 10 power 7. Then another one is aluminium 2.82 into 10 power minus 8. Conductivity is 3.5 into 10 power 7. This is the example for resistivity. What are the materials? Silver, copper, analytic copper and aluminium. These are yours. Then next class, difference between the primary and types of cells. Next topic, types of cells. What are the types of cells? Primary cell and secondary cells. Then another one difference between the primary and secondary cells. Next class we will see the types of cells. Okay, Dhanyavad.